Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in data science with Booking Holdings step by step clearly. To begin investing in data science with Booking Holdings, start by researching the company. Familiarize yourself with Booking Holdings' business model and data-driven strategy. Review their annual reports and quarterly earnings releases for insights into financial performance. Explore the various subsidiaries under Booking Holdings, such as Booking.com and Priceline. Identify key trends in the travel and hospitality sectors that could impact data science investment. Follow industry news and updates to understand how data science is shaping these sectors. Connect with data science communities and forums to gather insights on Booking Holdings' tech initiatives. Analyze the competitive landscape by examining other companies that are heavily investing in data science. Look for job postings and announcements regarding data science roles within Booking Holdings. This can provide a glimpse into the skills and technologies the company is prioritizing. Evaluate the potential for growth in data-driven decision-making within Booking Holdings. Consider how advancements in machine learning and AI could enhance their operations. Conduct a risk assessment to understand the volatility of investing in tech-focused companies. Check the stock performance of Booking Holdings over time to gauge its market stability. Review analyst reports for expert opinions on future growth potential and data science investments. Join webinars or attend conferences focused on data science in the travel industry. This can provide valuable networking opportunities and further understanding of emerging trends. Make use of available online courses to strengthen your knowledge of data science basics. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to develop a tailored investment strategy. Finally, track your investment closely and stay informed about Booking Holdings' progress in data science initiatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.